Hi and welcome to Excel VBA Travel Management System. So let me show you guys how it works now. I enter the name there. Let's say Dave, Johnny, and address is 90 Old Town. Postcode, telephone number, dave@gmail.com. Then the partial airport, destination, and let's say it's economy, it's traveling economy, okay, and that's the course. Do they want to return? Alright, so total and receipt. So what I will do now is to take you guys straight into Excel development environment and we'll put one of these together. So let's do that now, guys. Hi and welcome to Excel VBA program of travel management system. I have my own ribbon here, but if you don't have that in there, all you do is go straight onto the file there, select options and select customize ribbon. Make sure your developer menu right here is checked and you then click on OK. You should get this menu up there. If you select it, you'll be able to click on Visual Basic here, or you can just press Alt F11 as you can see here. Alright, when you click on that, this is what you will find, a plain interface like this. Now click on Insert, select User Form there. That's your user form. You now need to define the size of your form. Like I am going to go for something approximately 120 by 600 plus. That will be the height of my system. Let's say 680. Right. So the next thing, if you want, you can always give your caption here a name. I'm going to call my travel management system. That's the caption. You see it's changed right here. The next thing is I now need a frame. And this frame, that will be my, I want to call that customers details. So in there we need a customer's name and so on. So let's enter label. I'm going to need about 6 of those, and then I need a text box. That's just for the customer details. That is how my customer details looks like now. Okay. The next thing is, maybe I should just copy this across because I'm going to need a couple more. Get rid of this, and here in here I'm going to need one here. You can always get rid of the content in there, and this will be for my heading. So let's enter, copy a label in there, and just change the caption of that label. You can copy it from here to travel management system. Select that and change it to travel management system right there. The next thing is to change the font size. Let's look for the font size and make it a little bit larger right there. I may have to increase that anyway, but for now that's a bit alright. Okay, yeah, let's increase that. Let's go for 72. Right, and we just need to move this down a little bit anyway. I think 72 might be too large. Let's change it to 60. That's much better. Alright. The next thing is, let me come in here. I need the image. Let's paste the image right here, and we need something in there. Let's come into, I believe there should be something to get the image on board. Okay, let's select the picture box here, and I'm going to select one of these. There we go. Let's change the back color. We'll change that to black, and change this back color, that's the border style, is black, and change the color as well to black. And I might as well change this one. Let's change that to black as well. Right, and if I run it, this is how the system will look like. Okay, so let's keep going. Move this up a little bit, about that, and I'm going to copy this here. We need some more. Yeah, one more here, and let's come right down here. We're going to need one. Drag this down, and there's going to be one here, another one here. In total, I'm going to need about 7 of those anyway. Then there's one here that will be for, yeah, right. Drag that down somewhere, and one here. Yeah, that's fine. That will be for my buttons. Just drag this there. Okay. And this, let this come in here. Okay, it's taking shape anyway, and I can then populate the rest. Okay, this is how the whole system looks now. So let's start some modification. So this one will be my receipt there, and in here travel details there, and here this is supposed to be for the total or the cost. Let's just enter cost in there, or maybe yeah, let's enter cost in there. And here it is going to be, yeah, so one of them, that would be for tax, and this is subtotal. The next one is total. Right. Okay. Now the other thing we need is, I think I'm gonna have to add more of these. 1, 2, and 3. Just copy. Let the labels be here. And let's change the appearance of this label. Border is going to be black. Let's see if there's any other thing we can do with it. Alright, let's change the back color. Let's make that white, and let's see, border, yeah, okay. Repeat the same thing for these two. Okay, maybe we can then increase this size to about, let's say 22. Yeah, 22 is fine. The height is 22 for all. Okay, that's fine. And get rid of the content in there. That one will become LBL tax there, and the other one is going to be LBL subtotal. And finally we have LBL total. get rid of that. There we go. And we're gonna need good arrangement for it all. Alright, that is fine. Now I'm gonna need, okay, command button. I need 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. Okay, that's fine. Then what else do we need? We need some checkbox. Checkbox. 1 checkbox. 2 checkbox. 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll get rid of that. Oh yeah, I might as well just save it. Let's come to file. Okay, saved. I'm gonna call it VBA underscore travel underscore management underscore system. Right. And let's just create a folder for it in here somewhere. Where is it? Create a folder for it. There we go. Now change the save type to Excel macro enable workbook. Right, and click on save. That's it, is saved. Okay. Now up here I need some other stuff there. Let's come up here and just add ComboBox. 1 ComboBox, need 2 and 1 more. Right, then I'm gonna need some labels there to tell us what's going on here. Right, that is fine. Okay, I think I'm gonna need some checkbox here anyway. 1 and 2. Might need more though. Okay then, but here I need a text, or don't think, yeah, I need a text there. Right, we enter a text in there. It's gonna copy one of these, dump it there, and take it right down. Do that and we'll do it again. Alright, here that's gonna be our exit. That will be for preset. That's the reset. And finally, that'll be my total. Okay. Let's see if we can increase that to about 26 anyway. Right, that's fine for those 3. Alright. Where is my, there we go. I can add one of these here. I will add an image here as well. Okay, that's all that done now. So let me run it and see how the whole, that is how it's looking now. But I just need to make it look much better. So let me speed that up and I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, each object on the form now has their own individual name. I think these, yeah, that's right, they all have individual name now. So let me run it and you see how it all looks like. There we go, that's how it's looking now. So the first thing I like to do is to, let's take care of this first. And just exit there, and right here, let's come right there and double click on the exit, this very button, double click on it. And right in there, I'm going to declare, let's first of all make it a global variable. Say option explicit there, and right underneath dim I exit as integer there. That's our global variable declared. Then in here I want to declare as follows: I exit equals message box. So in there, let's say confirm if you want to exit there, and we enter a comma, and let's enter Visual Basic question mark there, VB question. Then let's say plus VB yes or no, yes or no, okay, comma, and then we can then specify the name. That's travel management system, and just close that. Then let's use an if statement here. We need to close this here as well. And let's use an if statement right underneath. If I exit equals VB yes, then unload me. Load me, and we can say and if. That's it. So that's the exit taken care of. Let's try it out. Click on that, nope. Click on that, yes. That's fine. Alright, let's run it again. Click no, and click, we can say yes. Okay, now the next thing I would like to do is, let me clear all of these. Let's reset them. Now come to the reset here. Then each of the text box, txt first name dot text, I believe it's called first name dot text equals there. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's right. Okay, and we'll repeat the same thing for the others. Okay, that is how the reset looks, but for the checkbox, I think that's going to be dot value equals false. Right, and I have more than one of those in there. We have standard, dot value equals false for standard as well. And we have economy, and let's speed that up as well. Okay guys, the reset button is all taken care of now, so let's run it and see what's going to happen. So we enter some values in here and check all of these, and in here there's nothing in here anyway. So we have some data in here, so this might not work because I have not reset that, and just click on reset for the rest. Reset, there we go. Okay guys, so with that I'm going to call it the end of the first part of this tutorial, and I'll see you in the second part.